Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Kershaw shuffle. We had a bit Kershaw folding knife bonanza here. Dealer had a bit a sale, so we got it for a good price. So I did test out some knives that I saw mainly only at the blade show and at the shot show. This one is the shuffle. Basically comes in the typical black reddish Kershaw knife box. There we see the name and the number is 8700. Inside again we have the plastic and that manual booklet where they show you how to use the different locks, the frame lock, the back lock and all that, the liner lock, and on the other side how to carry the knife, how to clean it, to oil it and sharpening and all that. So it's pretty nice booklet for people that maybe get their first knife. What we have on the shuffle is a glass fillet nylon, quite likely handle. It's injection molded. We see the K from Kershaw molded in, really nice. It's also rounded off on the edges, pretty nice made. This is a smaller knife, especially for my bigger hands, and it still has some interesting features. As we see, the blade is really high, hollow ground, so that's gonna make a good cutting blade even with that shorter size of a blade. We have a deep carry pocket clip that will be removable. You can take off the screws and put it on the other side on the handle, so the left-handed people have something too. So with that deep pocket clip, only that part here gonna stick out of your pocket. It's a bigger lanyard hole, and this part here, maybe it's even usable a bit as a screwdriver, worst case as a flat screwdriver. It's a bit on the bigger side but relatively flat. And then of course we have here a bottle opener feature. The back spacer is stainless steel, so they made it a little bit standing over here with a bit serrations on it, so you get a bit a good handle on it. And then they put it a bit over, so you have it as a bottle opener feature there. The knife is a liner lock design. We have two liners that are nestled inside the handle, so there is all sharp edges of the metal removed, other than where the liner lock needs to be pressed down. The rest is all covered by the synthetic material. The liner lock works pretty well, the detent and all, especially all the Kershaw knives I have. It's quite a number. I never had a bad one other than the Kershaw Emerson version that was a factory second, and the video was online, so sometimes they may slip a bit, but usually you get a pretty good product. So that's how the knife looks as it is folded. It's a bit wide, but it's relatively thin, and with the deep carry pocket clip that is pretty much invisible to carry. You can really put that in the pocket and it will not go to the bottom of the pocket usually, and therefore it's pretty nice and easy to carry. We also see the bigger thumb studs that stand a bit over the handle scales. This one is not an assistant opener, it's just a regular one hand opening folding knife, so nothing special there, because you have the thumb studs on both sides of the blade. It works with the left hand as well. All what you need to do is to take out the finger of the pad of the blade, and then that works. More information are on the Kershaw website, what all for variants they make. As best as I remember, I saw also an all black version. This is just a stainless steel that is blasted. Again, the knife is made in China, so it's a variety of their like 420 or 440A quality steel, so that should be pretty easy to resharpen and to maintain a pretty good edge, but it's for sure not gonna be like a high quality steel, absolute expensive one. But if you look the suggested retail for that shuffle knife here, that is not desired either. So that much about the Kershaw shuffle knife.